Hi, my name is Alyssa Rooks. I'm a naturalist for the Clermont County Park District. I have been a naturalist for the Park District for about 2 years now in November, and I'm standing in front of the East Fork Little Miami River here at beautiful Sycamore Park. This is just one of several river accesses that we have at our parks. As a naturalist, my main job is to educate the public about things in nature, whether it's plants, animals, water quality, or fossils. Our job is to get them out here and build connections with nature so that they can learn to love and appreciate, and then the hope would be to protect and preserve. My job is making a difference to Clermont County because I am able to market and reach out to folks to let them know, hey, these things are here at your parks, right in your own backyard. You can come by and see all of these things in nature taking place, and you don't have to drive across the state or across the country.